We've got another area and volume question. We've got right circular cylinder is 20 pi for the circumference and the height is 6 meters. What is the volume of the cylinder? So I'm going to go ahead and start by drawing a cylinder out, a right cylinder. So we're going to go ahead and put that right angle in it. And then I'm just going to label of the given information. So we have the height is 6 and the circumference is 20 pi. So you're going to need two equations for this. We're going to start by solving for the radius through using the circumference formula. So we've got 2 pi times r, and we're given the circumference, so we could put that in for c. So 20 pi is equal to 2 pi r. And then when we divide by 2 pi, we find the radius, so the radius is 10. But this is not our final answer because we are solving for the volume, not the radius. So you need another equation, which is the volume equation, which is not 2. It's pi r squared times height. So now we have everything we need to solve for volume. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in 10 for r and 6 for h. And all we have to do to solve this is 6 times 100, that's 600. So our final answer is the volume is equal to 600 pi, and that is C.